Hello friends, welcome back to Sagar infomode. In this video, I will show you how to increase the EBS volume of your EC2 instance in just 2 minutes. So without any downtime or reboot. So stay tuned until end and hit the like button if you find it useful. So basically we will be following this AWS official document, and in this we have Linux instance and Windows instance instructions, how we can increase the volume of any servers without any downtime or any reboot. I will keep this link in the description of this video. You can follow this. So now back to my terminal. So first what we have to do, we need to check the current size of the EC2 instance, and then we need to go to the AWS console volume sections and select your EBS volume, click on action, modify volume and increase the size how much you want. Now next we need to run some commands to increase the EBS volume without any downtime. So first we will be running the lsblk command to check whether our updated volume is attached or not. Then later we will be hitting this command. All these commands will be given in the description of this video. So one by one you run these commands and get the output. So third command, we will be mounting the temporary now this command is also successfully run. Now next we need to run the growpart command. And these commands apply and the changes also saved. Now we will be unmounting the temporary path which we had done. Now next we need to check the df-h command and check the size of this server has been updated. Previously it is 330 GB, now it is 350 GB total.